Hi, I'm Lou with another episode of My Car Story. Well, we're out in the western suburbs of Chicago, and I'm with good friend of the channel, Buick Bob Starzyk, and he's got an amazing car for you. Bob, what year, make, and model is this one?
1956 Buick Special 46C.
Let's go right to our featured attraction. So let me ask you a question. How long have you had this one?
October will be 20 years.
20 years with this one. One of my favorite cars in your collection is this one right here. Now you said 46C, was it?
That's the model number.
Okay. Was there other model numbers?
Yeah, there was 56, 66, and 76.
Okay.
And this is the baby Buick.
This is the baby Buick, and the portholes here are fake. When did that change? They used to be actual.
I think it was 1949, 1950 only were functional, and then after that they were just decorations.
Got it. You've got the wraparound window, and with this Buick, in case there's any question, well, it lets you know right on the side, well, it's special. We've got the Kelsey Hayes rims. I'm just going to show you that at this point right now. We'll turn it around for you at some point. But that's just great. Look at all of the points as I walk around front, right up here. Big, massive bumper, headlight trim, and I really like this hood ornament with the jet. And you can see the venting there too on this one. And of course, the word Buick and 56 Buick Special. That's just great. If you get close enough, you can see the T3 correct headlights and the cool Buick script. Let's pop the hood, shall we? So why this car out of all the cars in the world?
My wife is born and raised in Poland.
Yeah.
And she used to see movies like with Doris Day with the scarf on.
Yeah.
And the special color cars.
Yeah.
She saw this, and this was our first, basically our first endeavor into the classic car world.
This was it.
This was our first one.
Well,
And
this is a great way to start.
the addiction started.
And that's how you became Buick Bob.
Right. And like I said, the grading over here for this is actually 1956, a Ram Air unit.
Really?
And they advertised that so much in 1982, 85, in those years, but they had it back in the 50s.
This is the first Ram Air.
I don't know if it's the first, but this one had it.
There's we're getting some sun on that. Your body trim, your 56 model. Beautiful. Just looks great.
Sorry.
No, you're doing fine. This looks outstanding. Let's
I always take the fan out for shows.
yeah. So 6-volt system?
No, 12 volt.
12 volt, okay. Got it. Let's fire it up, shall we? Let's hear it run.
Now remember, no hands.
Yeah, show me that. So no hands to start it. So tell me how this works. Who do we have with us today?
That's Oliver.
Hey, Oliver.
Little 19-month-old puppy. Like I say,
No hands.
Old starter. It ended in went all the way up to 1960. Gas pedal start.
Gas pedal start. So you just pressed on the gas.
Yeah. Put on
no hands.
That's it.
And that's it. Wow, is that smooth? It's nice how they have all the spark plug wires. Let's step on the brakes. Can we put it in reverse? There we go. I just wanted to show you all those lights at once. Okay, we'll put it back in neutral. Well, listen to that. It sounds like a boat. All aboard. Bob, give it a rev. One more good one. Very nice. and we'll turn this around for you. So I told you that we'd turn it around for you so that you could see the back with the Continental kit. And as you see the back, I just want to show you this from the side. That's quite the view. Also, here's where your gas goes in. Bob, can we open the trunk? It's nice to have the gas on the side rather than you have to pull it out of the trunk. Great tail fins, extended exhaust. And as you pull that up, I want to show that badge too, because that back end badge, well, that's pretty gosh darn special, as you can see. All right, we'll pull that open. And the trunk and treat we have is, will old Rusty ever get to the classic car show? So how did you get a book, a children's book about your car?
I do a classic car show in Palos Heights, Illinois. It's almost 20 years now. And we had an alderman that was a volunteer for the thing, and she saw what I do with the show. And she writes children's books. So she came up with this book about the car where I'm an old guy in there and I'm also the young guy in there. So she just did a real nice thing for me, that's all. Out of all the awards I've ever had, this is the best.
Yeah, that is just great to have that.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. All right, we'll close that. I just want to show the detail in that tail light. That's just great. I'm going to open it, may I, Bob?
Go ahead.
So as I open it, you've got the wonderful door here, your Buick there, your power brakes. Take a look at the overall instrumentation with the light hitting it, the back seat. As you can see, you've got your light down there, the roll-up windows, the boot, the dice, your power steering right in your chest, your park, neutral, drive, low and reverse all the way at the end, which is how it used to be back there. There's a vent. We've got the ribbon there that you can see. So as the faster you go, the ribbon comes farther out. And you can see also with the gas, the same thing. Is that 87,000 original miles?
87,000 original.
Wow.
Motor has not been taken out of the car yet.
Wow. The tissue box from the day, the clock, the Selectomatic. Let's get a little closer. Your details you can read there. The antenna operating instructions. Is this grill your heater here?
No, it's a speaker.
Just the speaker.
Right, and on both sides of it's an ashtray.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah, you push down the bottom.
Push down at the bottom. Ah. Didn't see that coming.
Both sides.
Both sides. Look at that. Very cool, Bob. Well, that sounds good. Well, I think the only thing left that we've got to do is we got to take it for a ride. Okay. All right. So Bob, Oliver, and I, there's Oliver, are all cruising in the 56 Buick Special. It feels special. It feels perfect. How do you like driving it out here in the country?
I always love driving this car. I just, used to go around the Lakeshore Drive every single year, but we stopped doing that because the invention of the video camera. I got pushed over too many times to the wall. I said no more.
Guys just like me.
Yeah.
Except they weren't sitting next to you.
Right.
They were driving next to you.
Right.
We'll just show people where we're going too. How nice is this? This is how you do it, Bob. You just take the car out in the country, and this thing is running perfectly. It's actually purring perfectly. I just want to show people too. Take a look at the ribbon speedometer, how that works. You can see as we go faster, it pops out. So you get the chance to drive this thing. Everybody pays attention to you. I just love the jet up in front too, kind of leading the way there.
people don't know it, but the middle of those hood ornaments, you put that on the white line,
Is that right?
it keeps you right in the middle of your lane.
Is that right?
They don't have that no more on cars.
That's good to know. It's obviously working. We're still going straight down the road here. Oliver's loving the ride. That's great. What a good dog. Well, we've been having a lot of fun for a long time, but I think this is our first actual ride in one of your cars because we always see each other at a car show. So I really want to, first of all, thank you for all of our friendship, number one. Number two, because you also put me together with a lot of great Buick people, knowing exactly what kind of cars the channel enjoys, and it's been such a fun time. I'll just show people a little bit more of where we're going. How is that? Bob, always a treat, so much fun. We'll take a little more time in the cruise on a perfect day with the perfect cruiser and Oliver along with us. Thanks so much for being on My Car Story.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.